Hello, MI students. Welcome to week 2, lesson 2 of online math in action. We're going to continue on from where we left off with week 2, lesson 1. So last lesson here, your assignment was to do questions 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if you have not done that, make sure you go back and do week 2, lesson 1 first. And you should have turned that in on Google Classroom. I've reattached this copy, so this will be probably a blank copy. I couldn't quite figure out how to attach the one that you were previously working on, but that's okay. We've already done numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4, so you don't have to do those again. You should have done that earlier in the week. For today, we're going to focus on questions 6 through 9. So you can skip number 5. We're not going to do that activity. So for question 6 here, if we just review everything really quickly, there is a little reference thing. So it says there's 9 types of taxes in the U.S. Let's take a look at some different ways we pay our taxes, review this infographic, and answer the questions. So again, over here on the left-hand side, there's some sort of blue link. You'll click on that, you'll open that up. This one, I really like this one. It's just a nice, let's see if it'll open here, little picture for you to read through. It just talks about the 9 types of taxes in the US. It's pretty straightforward. It's not super long, so I just ask that you read through this. Again, I would probably keep this link open as I go back and I answer the questions. So it says, which of the 9 types of taxes is the largest source of revenue for the government? So again, you'll type right in here. Please, again, make sure you use a different color than black just so I can see your answers easily. So you just type in whatever you thought the answer would be. And then it says, which of the following categories do you currently pay taxes for? Again, so there's no right or wrong answer here. You just got to look back and say, gosh, do I pay sales tax? Yep, I mean, if you shop at the store, yeah, you pay sales tax. Do I pay things like income tax? Do I have a job? Do I pay inheritance or estate tax? And you have to think, do I pay this or do I not pay this? So you list those there. So that's part 6. Part 7 now, it talks about the difference between regressive, proportional, and progressive taxes. It says you know more about where tax money comes from and now how it's being spent. But how does it all work? There are 3 main types of tax systems. Watch the video, scroll halfway down the page to learn about the differences between regressive, proportional, and progressive taxes, then answer the questions. Again, here there's a little video. Again, you'll open the link on the side. We just open that link real quick. There's some articles in there, or just some little paragraphs. I would probably read through those. Progressive tax system. Again, just kind of skim through the article. Make sure you read about the differences between the two. I thought, my computer is being very slow. I apologize. I thought there was a little video in there, and it might just be that my computer's, the internet's being very slow and it's not loading. So if there's a video in there, please make sure you watch it. If not, though, or regardless, oh, yep, there it is. It just took a little while to load. Please watch the video, read the articles, then you come back. And again, you'd answer these questions. What type of tax system does the United States have? Explain the main differences between regressive and progressive tax. Again, you just type right underneath it. So you might have to hit enter and then write your answer in some color other than black. And what do you think are the pros and cons of a regressive tax system? Again, this is what you think. So again, there's no right or wrong. You just have to understand the difference between, or you have to understand what a regressive tax system is. For part 8, how tax brackets actually work. So again, here's a short video for you to watch. Again, there are questions for you to answer. Once you watch the video, and again, if you are trying to answer these questions, say, gosh, I can't remember, or I don't know that I explained super well in the video, I still am confused, and please use your resources. Please use Google and try to figure out some of these answers. You're not limited to just the resources that I have provided here. And finally, section 9, this is the last piece that you'll have to do for today. Again, it's just 6 through 9. Here's an article. Again, you'll open this. It talks about 2019's best and worst states to be a taxpayer. While everyone must pay taxes, the types of taxes you pay and how much you pay in state and local taxes depend highly on the state in which you live. So if you live in North Dakota, you're going to be paying different taxes than somebody that lives in Minnesota. So it says view the data on how taxes differ between states in this table. So it must be in this article here. Then answer the questions. And then you're going to answer these two. Again, just typing underneath. So that would be it for today's activity. So again, watching this video, it's about 6 minutes long. You'll get 10 points for that. Answering the questions for sections 6 through 9. So 6, 7, 8, 9, you'll do that. Again, when you're done, you will exit out and you'll hit turn in on Google Classroom. As always, if you have any questions, please shoot me an email at storantflip@gmail.com. Again, both of these activities that you have done today, because this is the second day of activities for this week, will be due by Saturday at midnight. So please make sure you watch both videos, the one from the first video I posted this week and this video, and then also make sure you do both activities. Thank you and have a great rest of your day.